Hey Pottery 4, I miss you all. What we're going to do today is we're going to start to talk about emphasis as a principle of design. So last week I had you kind of look through the things that you found and decide on 3 pieces that you liked parts of them and start to put them together, looking at balance, looking at the rule of thirds. And for us, a lot of that is going to be on your eye. Am I seeing it okay? Is the height of it okay? Sometimes I'll take something and I'll just kind of measure it out into thirds to see if I like the way it's stacking up together. This week we are going to now add in the idea of emphasis. So our emphasis is the point that we really want our viewer to see and take in on our piece. So you're going to use the exact same 3 pictures that you picked out. So you are taking pieces from each one. And so here's mine from last week. Okay. I'm going to get this screen thing right one day, but it's not today. How about that? There we go. It's too bright in the background. Woo! Okay, so this was mine from last week that I was working on balance, and I liked the slab built square piece that I found. I liked those hand rolled little cylinders, and I liked the asymmetrical top to it. So I just kind of basically took them apart and put them together in a different way. And I pointed out on here, I want you to do that as well, kind of little notes as to the changes that would be made and what it's made out of. So you can kind of see how I put that together. So my emphasis on here is kind of in that middle spot right there, but I wanted to rethink the whole idea and kind of come up with something different. So this is idea number 2. And this is when I'm focused a little bit on that emphasis, again, being towards the middle, but it goes up to, this is so hard. Okay, so it goes up to this piece as well. So you can kind of see you're kind of going in there. So these are cut out pieces so you can see all the way through on the bottom or in the middle and on the top, and then on the upper middle and bottom, those are just cut to the next layer of clay that's underneath it. So this piece right here would be one entire thrown cylinder. Alter the lip there, cut it in half at the diagonal, take it apart, and then build a square slab piece, rectangular slab piece in the middle there, and cut out some stuff and add some decoration. So I want the viewer to look at mine, find their eye being drawn to the center part, looking at those little details of the hand-rolled pieces, and then the spacing that kind of separates it apart, so there's a little bit of a blank space, so you're looking for those actual hand-rolled pieces. That is your assignment this week. Same 3 photos, reorganize them in a different way. You're still thinking about balance, but now you're also thinking about emphasis, the point that you really want your viewer to see. All right, I'll see you later. Bye.